Hi guys, and welcome back to another one. Hi family, hello and welcome back to another one. Today I'm just going to talk about black seed oil. Guys, if you haven't checked out my video when I talked about fibroids, make sure that you go and check it out. I'm going to talk about black seed oil and how this helped me throughout my healing process when I was diagnosed with fibroids and during my recovery stage. Now guys, if you don't know about black seed oil is meant to be a very powerful oil. Has been a lot of studies relating to black seed oil. It can help the body overcome a number of health issues. So with that being said, with virtually no side effects, the healing powers of black seed oil is made from the black cumin seed. There's a lot of versions out there. The one that I tend to buy, I always like to buy the one that says Egyptian black seed oil. I always make sure that it is organic and is the purest form. I don't buy any blended or anything like that. I have tried different variations of the black seed oil, and there is one particular brand that I stick with at the moment. If I come across any other where I'm like, yes, you are it, then definitely I will go for that. But for now, I'll just share with you the brand that I did use when I finished my hospital healing stages and the one I'm currently using. So I did my fibro procedure. I underwent a minor procedure. They say minor because it didn't require, they didn't have to open me up in any way, shape or form. So it was minor for that purpose. So the recovery stage, they said it takes about 2 weeks for me to recover, but the reality is, guys, it actually took me months before I felt normal. So they said you do the procedure. I leave the name of the procedure that I done. So after 10 days you can go back to work and literally go back to your normal life. Well, that was not the case for me, because guys, if you do know, my fibroid was humongous. Okay, it was big for any normal size. So it didn't take me 10 days to recover, so it took me longer. Before I continue on this channel, let me just pause by saying thank you for those who keep on returning to the channel, and for those who have yet to subscribe, make sure that you do subscribe to the channel. You'll be helping me a lot to grow on this platform. And for those who are returning, I love and appreciate your support. Make sure that each and every single one of you do me a humongous favor by simply clicking the like button. If you ain't like the video, don't you worry, you ain't got to. I'm not gonna grab your hand and, you know, if you didn't like the video, fair enough, but if you like the video, make sure that you don't leave without clicking the like button. Okay, you guys can see, but this is the brand, the Viridian brand. This is not a promotion, by the way, but this is the black seed oil brand that I actually used when I came out of hospital. So I bought this from my local herbal shop, and you actually can get this on Amazon as well. So it comes in a box like this. It's a 200 ml 200 ml bottle. So it literally comes in this box, and you take it out of the box, yeah, and then it's this bottle. Now this bottle, this is what I use instead of my paracetamol antibiotics. I just had to use the antibiotics, but for any pain relief, this has been my go-to. If I get a headache, I'll just literally dab a bit and I'll rub it around my forehead. If I feel any if I've got cramps or anything, I'll take a teaspoon and then I'll just drink it. So what I do as well, one of the benefits that I've noticed personally for me whenever I take the black seed oil, was when I was taking it helped me. Whenever I was in so much pain during my hospital, when I was back home, I was taking this in the morning, midday and afternoon, non-stop, and the pain would actually go away, guys. Like, this has been my miracle oil because it literally cured me. I don't know what I would have done without this, because I knew I wasn't going to take medication, but I took my black seed oil. I took it about 3 times or more sometimes in a day if I felt pain, and I rubbed it on my stomach, and I just rubbed it in problematic areas, and this is my go-to. So the taste of it is not bad. I quite like the taste of this one. At the moment I tried this brand. I don't know if you guys can see. They are all organic. Yeah, so at the moment I tried this brand. I got it from Amazon. It is still organic, it's still 100% pure, but I just find the taste not to be great. I don't know, I'm not in love with this at the moment, so I'm just gonna go back to this one, which is the Viridian black seed oil, and they also sell other supplements as well. I use it sometimes for my skin. I use it on my face, on my body. I drink it and I use it on my skin, on my body, on my hair. I combine it for my hair oil. Like, I do everything with the black seed oil. There's so many different benefits, and like I always say to people, the benefits will vary. It will definitely vary according to different people. And combine anything with a healthy eating lifestyle and pattern, I don't see a reason why it wouldn't work. You know, if you're struggling with sleeping, taking black seed oil will, I believe, will help in your sleep. If you're struggling with weight loss, if you're struggling with pain, like, I drink it whenever I'm in pain, and I feel like my pain goes away. I can't actually imagine me taking painkillers when I have black seed oil. I just can't. But that's it for me, guys. That is it for me, guys. I just kind of wanted to share with you what I used when I came out of hospital, when I had my procedure done to remove my fibroids. That is what I used. Obviously I was giving antibiotics, I was giving painkillers, but I threw all of that out the window, because one thing for me, I don't like to depend on a chemically processed product. You know, I don't want to depend on that. I'm either gonna tough the pain out and my body will heal itself, or I'm gonna find some type of natural remedies to get over the pain. But I completely understand that obviously most of us go through different pain situation where, you know, you might think drinking an oil, what's that really gonna do for the pain that I'm going through now? But I only can speak from my personal experience, and obviously I'm not battling with excruciating pains like many of us may be going through. This was just, I had a procedure done to remove my fibroids, and they gave me, you know, painkillers, and my body rejected it. My body completely, I rejected it to the fullest, and I thought, well, if my body's rejecting it, you know, what else can I use, because I'm in pain? And black seed oils was one of those products that I used. So this is completely not me advocating for the brand or anything. This is just a brand that I prefer to use at the moment. I've tried different brands, ordered from different websites, so I always go to my local herbal store. I avoid ordering online when it comes to product, unless I know the store is based online and I know the product is pure. I have ordered it from Amazon a few times. It's still I've ordered it from Amazon and I don't find any taste difference in the one that I'm ordering from Amazon or the one that I'm ordering from my local store. If you are ever interested, listen, I am not a nutritionist, I'm not a doctor. This is just my personal experience. I've used black seed oil to combat my menstrual, my pain, my whatever the case may be. I use it. If you've got dry skin, use it. If you've got you know, if you've got problematic skin, use it. If you want to grow your nails, it makes your cuticle look so nice. Go do your own research. Black seed oil, that's my go-to whenever I'm in pain, so I thought I'd share that with you. So guys, make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.